Good morning, sir. Here are the tools that I'm going to explain. So first is insulated gloves. This is protect hands from electrical shock, ensuring safety when working with electricity. Safety glasses protect eyes from debris and particles, preventing injuries and ensuring clear vision. Electrical tape insulates and protects wires, preventing shorts and damage and ensures safe, durable connection for electrical work. Screwdrivers, flathead Phillips. Flathead screwdrivers with straight slot while Phillips have a cross tip. For better grip, using the right one prevents damage and simplifies the job. Then, pliers, lineman, needle nose cutting. Lineman's pliers grip and cut wires. Needle nose pliers work in the tight species, and cutting pliers are for clean cuts. It's service and specific purpose. Wire stripper remove insulation from wires without damaging the metal with slot. For different wire gauges for the precise grip. Cable cutters are tools used to cut through thick cables and wires gently without damaging the internal components. Thank you, guys.